Being ambitious about the club to make good signings, it is a good thing from the fans, but it's not how things are done at Natural. Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Mbongi Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle niyaphila. Danko. So today we're going to discuss about three players. It's Lucas Ribeiro Costa and Samkelo Zwane, including Happy Mashiane. And for these two, I'd say ukuthi they are being given a lifeline. So, ngaphambi kokuthi sekude, ngicela ningisize by liking on the video and subscribing to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Nokuklika a notification bell so that every time when I upload, we get to be notified. As well as siqale. So, we know ukuthi currently contracts talks are being on hold because they are waiting who will be the next coach of Kaizer Chiefs next season. But that's not only the only thing ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs players will find themselves facing, especially the ones that it was said ukuthi they need their contract to be renewed. But even for players like Samkelo Zwane and Happy Mashiane, I believe they are being given a lifeline. Because now it simply means if there will be a new coach, that simply means all the players are starting on a clean slate. Simply means the coach that will come will be the one that will decide. And now it simply gives all the players an opportunity to let's try to impress the coach. Even the ones that feel like their fate is no longer in their hands, they will start trying by all means to perform so that they can find themselves in the coach's likings. But I want us to discuss about Happy Mashiane and Samkelo Zwane. Samkelo Zwane, age is still on his side. And this is an opportunity for him to impress once more another coach if Kaizer Chiefs decides not to. If they decide they're gonna release the two co-coaches. But if they don't, it simply means it's going to be back to square one. But Samkelo Zwane, a player that is technically gifted and have the physique to be a best CDM, but also as a central midfielder, he can become a good player. But it simply means you won't expect him to be a box-to-box, but be that central midfielder that plays like Vitinha of PSG, the one that gets to be given that free role. But now it all lies in him. Does he want to be a constant feature in the Kaizer Chiefs starting 11? Or he already accepted him and Kaizer Chiefs angeke azithole afana nama players afana boMduduzi Shabalala whereby they play regularly because of the effort that they put on the field. So it's up to Samkelo Zwane whatever that he sees as I am Samkelo Zwane, I'm lacking in this department. This is the aspect that I'm short of in my game. So he has to fix it. Because the competition is too stiff, Lapan. It's very stiff, and you'll say for a player of his caliber, his passes only won't do good for him at Natural because they want players that they have impact on the club. Every player nowadays has a role to play. It's no longer about positions. And for Samkelo Zwane, wayebabazwa makaceda ukupromota, but he didn't live up to the expectations due to he is lazy. But now it's an opportunity as thute, as qoqe, as put, and then he will decide okay, I want to make sure the coach sees my effort also. And one thing about the Chiefs is that it has players, but it seems like the players themselves don't believe they are capable of achieving great things for Chiefs. And the youngsters that get to be promoted from the youth structures, when they arrive, they impress for iskashanyana, and then after that, you wonder and you ask yourself questions. Were they rightfully promoted, or it was too early for them to be promoted? Players like Abu Samgaluso. And then let's talk about Utiniku, Happy Mashiane. Happy Mashiane, yeah. Okwakhe kunzima because in that left back position, already you have 3 players. And those players, ama-contract wabo angeke aphele anytime soon. And one thing I'm happy about is that in the players that have been mentioned, the 7-1, his name is not there. So this is an opportunity also for him when he returns back from loan with Swell LFC to make sure that he grasps that opportunity. Because I believe Guti, he is capable of helping Kaizer Chiefs in that left flank. You see, when you look at Happy Mashiane, you see Oprimote. With it defensively, they might not give you anything. They might try, with at least in their performances, defensively, Babek decent. But when we attack, that's where you have to give them the nod, because you know very well they are capable. They are good when it comes to attacking, and they have left educated foot. And it simply means those crosses that they might whip in the box, they might benefit players like Abu Flavio Silva, players like Abu Ghost Power Ekotar. But the thing now is that at Chiefs, the first priority as a fullback is to know how to defend, because you don't want to find yourself being exposed at the back. And that's the thing about Happy Mashiane. He might be exposed, but in terms of technical ability, he has all the qualities. And naye he has to rewrite his story. Kungaba ukuthi Happy Mashiane somkhumbula ngokuthi wathola a red card in the CAF Champions League against Al Ahly. Sekudlulile lokho. We have to focus on the future now, in the present. If he finds it difficult ukuthi abambe scheme kuswelele, competing with the likes of Aphiwe Baliti, Neo Rapu, how difficult will it be at Chiefs? Khona bo Bradley Cross, khona bo Paseka Mark with that experience, with Nkanyiso Shinga naye coming from Europe. It simply means that he has to compete. He has to make them see ukuthi I want to be seen also. And with an opportunity ukuthi ngaba no coach omusha, who knows, the coach might need a player that plays as a wingback, so that he instilled his playing style, so that obviously the team can benefit, because every coach needs a certain playing personnel and type of players that are specific in his style of play. So now it simply means he has to sit himself down and ask himself this question, Uguti, do I still want to play for Kaizer Chiefs, or I want to see my career going down the drain? So umbuzo melubuzo. But logo, it all depends on both of these players, because they're the ones that need to be serious about their careers. Akekho umuntu ongaba convince otherwise, but only them. They have to also convince the coaches ukuthi we are capable, but it's all about hard work and determination. And then let's move to the last topic of the day. Lucas Ribeiro Costa, the former Mamelodi Sundowns player. In the last few days, few weeks, I'd say he was linked with the Kaizer Chiefs, and fans are tipping in management of the Kaizer Chiefs they might sign him, and of which it won't be a bad idea, but it comes at a huge cost. We know that. Good at Chiefs, they pride themselves with professionalism. And what Ribeiro did with Mamelodi Sundowns, forcing his way out, it was not a good thing. It was uncalled for, especially from a professional player. Because what happened, it would have been resolved. But after hearing it, he has a lot of offers, especially after that Club World Cup performances that he had. It convinced him, good to know, I have to go and play in a league that is better than the PSL and earn better than what I get at Mamelodi Sundowns. But him being linked with Chiefs, it simply means good tea. Kaizer Chiefs, no matter what, they won't sign Lucas Ribeiro. Even if his contract is coming to an end with the club Leonesa Deportivo in the Segunda League in La Liga, the second tier, they won't sign Lucas Ribeiro, and I don't think Guti they are also interested in signing him. It's only the fans that want him. But what I'm about to discuss, it makes it very clear, Guti, the chances of Ribeiro and Kaizer Chiefs seeing him playing for the Chiefs, they are slim. Because number one, there are teams already lining up for his services. They are well aware of his situation at Deportiva Club Leonesa, because they know what his contract is about to come to an end. And as a player, Lucas Ribeiro, we all know Guti, he left Mamelodi Sundowns because he had ambitions to play in Europe, and he would try by all means to make it stick laphana ukuthi ahlale e-Europe, because there are teams that want to sign him and there are others that are monitoring him. And it was all reported by Rudy Galetti, the sports journalist of Brazil. He mentioned teams like Wydad Casablanca, Raja Athletic Club, Al Ittihad Tripoli, lena ega Rulani Mokwena. And we know Guti, obvious, that will mean a reunion between him and Rulani and Thembinkosi Lorch. And it's all about Guti sebenziswa imali. And obviously, as a free agent, there won't be any problem Guti bamthole. But thinking is over Guti bazomrholisa mali. And they might give him that salary package that he might demand. But the thing is that if there are no concrete offers, or there are no offers that would materialize for him in Europe, then it simply means Guti angabuye Africa. And it would need a serious convincing from Kaizer Chiefs. But there are teams that are really interested in him. One is in Africa and two, they are in Europe. And both of them, they are in Spain. Number one is ECD Castellón. They are playing in the same league with Deportivo Leonesa, and they are well aware of his situation. And if you look at ECD Castellón, they are way above team Ribeiro, because team Ribeiro, they are fighting relegation, and the ECD Castellón bahlela pa ku number 5 ku position, and they are going in strong, competing ukuthi bazothola that promotion spot. And him, if he had to compare, he would say, okay, lana ngikhona izinto azambi ngendlela. And the reason is, a player like Ribeiro, he was shining at Mamelodi Sundowns because he had quality players around him. And looking at the players that he's playing with, Club Leonesa Deportivo, no, that's why they are not doing that good. And him going to ECD Castellón, it will be an upgrade, because he knows that there are chances of him going to play La Liga with Real Madrid. But if the team keeps on being competitive so that they can get to that promotion spot. But there's a team that is already playing in La Liga. I-RCD Mallorca leqeda ukushaya iReal Madrid last week 2-1. Nabo they are interested in signing Lucas Ribeiro because they understand that okay, his contract is coming to an end, so it won't be difficult with the simthole. And then they count the chances of Kaizer Chiefs getting Ribeiro as a free agent. They are very, very slim because now he has options. What will make it difficult for him is to choose which one will be the best option. So you see, Uti, the fans, they are very, very ambitious, but the club has other things that they need to sort first before stressing about players. They have to find a good coach that might make Chiefs to be competitive. And Ribeiro, even if Kaizer Chiefs being Amchola, the chances of him performing are slim. As I've stated, he needs good players around him, as good as he is, so that he can perform. At Chiefs being full with players that are average, others are decent, Bayovele ibe exposed ingwele.